Okay, so they've decided to ask me a lot of questions. हाँ जी पूछिए. Anish. But मेरे को बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक इतना बुरा नहीं लगा. Like मुझे कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं मिला. There was absolutely no traffic. The lady next to me was slightly irritating, but the flight was good. I've always found it very manageable. The roads are bad, but and therefore the traffic is bad. But otherwise it's okay. Immense learning, great insights because we had team huddles, slightly tiring. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's lovely. The number of plants here. I wish I could steal them and take them back home. They must have cost lakhs of rupees to them, and they're beautiful, lovely. That's where my life started. So yes, so in one word, it is everything. Infinity. De-stressor. आप टीचर हो, आपका काम सिर्फ पढ़ाना है and inspire करना है. Like I remember Pulkit sir always telling me that you inspire me. So when he says it, you know, as Pulkit sir when he tells me that you inspire me, it's very humbling. It all comes back, the good, the bad, the ugly. So only do the good. Children of my motherland, the children of India. My beautiful home. So it's full of plants and greenery. It's the loveliest place on earth. So I personally see divine in my home. I see divine manifest in all the love that's there in my home. So yeah. Trust me, I had real bad teachers. Teachers who wouldn't believe in me. Teachers who thought I was not good enough. So that's the reason why I became a teacher. So many to name. They never liked me, I think, when I was a kid. Most valuable possession, you know, the first thing which comes to your mind is like your family, your husband. But for me, it's very special. I think it would be my unshakable belief in divine. Yeah, that would be my most valuable possession. Providence. Providence is a word which says that there is a higher power which looks after you, and it could be nature, it could be Mother Divine, it could be Father Divine, it could be divinity, it could be anything. But for me, I think yes, Providence. That there is somebody else who's bigger than us humans who looks after you. That's it, yes. To never give up, you know, you never know with life how things shape up. You never know with life how things add up, and then they eventually help you when you need it the most. But every single drop counts. Whatever good you do, whatever hard work you do, eventually it will all add up one fine day, and you wouldn't know when. So don't give up. Just keep working hard. Even if it doesn't make sense at that particular time, it will eventually someday make sense. They call me Vani Ma, which I'm not like yet a biological mother, but I'm otherwise a mother of millions. So yeah, that's something very close to my heart. Nothing less than magical, and I personally feel that the kind of work that I'm doing, enabling, empowering millions, it is much more than my hard work and much more than my wish to become a teacher. I think there is, I'm saying so much of divinity, you'll think you're like some Baba Vani speaking, but I think there is more to it. There is a certain sense of magic, there is a certain sense of surrealness, you know, जैसे कहते हैं ना, मतलब ये मेरा करना नहीं है, मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ that I have not done this is somebody else is doing it, that somebody else is a very powerful man, woman, or who I don't know who's sitting up there, who's doing it, because it's way beyond than what I can think I would have done in this life. See, See, why I became a teacher is very personal. अब जाके 13 साल बाद इसमें थोड़ा कुछ ऐड हो गया है, but otherwise very personal. तो अगर मुझे आपको सिर्फ 2 लाइनों में बताना है why I became a teacher, it is because I was let down by my teachers. आई विश कोई टीचर होता जिसको मेरा पोटेंशियल समझ में आता. आई विश कोई टीचर होता जो मेरे में बिलीव करता या मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाता. बट आई नेवर गॉट सच टीचर्स एंड आई सी दैट हैपनिंग इवन टुडे. So that's the reason for me to become a teacher, because I did not have a teacher in my life.